Hello, welcome from Oddar Mean Cheay Province, the Cambodian and Thai border. You can see at my back that is a mountain Dong Rek, mountain rank. So this mountain is on the border of Cambodia and Thailand. It's a long way up to Preah Vihear provinces and to maybe Meancheay, I'm not sure. But I'm here right now is we call it Zero Five Dike. This one is built by generals in this area, and his so-called is Zero Five. And this dike actually is built during 1993, but it has been renovated and improved in 2005. Okay, let's take a tour with me and how great this dike and a little bit more detail of the information from this area. Here we go. Okay, let's look at the information boards over here. You can see the logo up there. That is the some sponsor or some corporator. So this dike I just saw you is called Zero Five Dike. That is built by General Su Sa Run, called Zero Five. It was built in 1993, but this one is renovated under the fund of D.A. Gozoa organization in cooperation with the Department of Water Resource and Weather Forecast. So this building includes the construction of like the water flowing place, a dike, a turn on and turn off dike, and the whole dike is 10,050 meters. So the renovation started on 29 March 2005 and finished on the 3rd of May 2005. So this area, this building, I think is for the picnic site for the local. So it must be populated by local people to come for fun, especially at any festival. So they come to gather, have picnic, having fun, taking a boat ride, and enjoy all these lotus and indented forest, as well as the spectacular view of Dong Rek mountain. So as you can see, this is the over flooding water escape. This huge one, beautiful. I think because now is dry season, so the water is not so much, but maybe in rainy season the water must be filling in this area, and the flowing also must be very strong. Yeah, there's still a shop here. You can buy some drink and many cottages around here. ភូមិទំនប់អភិវឌ្ឍន៍ឃុំអូស្វាយ ស្រុកតាពាំងប្រាសាទ ខេត្តឧត្តរមានជ័យ According to the information gathered from the shop seller, so in this area we call it Tumnop Phivaot village, Svay Commune, Trapeang Brasat District, Oddar Mean Cheay Province. he also told some people they call it Thom Nom Aphivat, I mean development dike, Zero Five Dike. So Thom Nom Aphivat is the name of the village in this area. And Svay Commune, Svay is just a mango canal. Trapeang Brasat district is just like the pond of Temple district. And Oddar Mean Cheay Province. Oddar Mean Cheay Province is one of the newest province. I think separated from Meancheay Province. Oddar Mean Cheay located between Meancheay, Siem Reap and Preah Vihear. And Oddar Mean Cheay also border with Thailand to the north of Cambodia. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you so much for taking a tour with me to this special picnic zone, holiday zone for the people in Oddar Mean Cheay. The shop seller also told me that before COVID-19 in this area is very populated, very crowded. There's a lot of people coming from Preah Vihear, from Oddar Mean Cheay, from Meancheay, Siem Reap and others. They coming to Oddar Mean Cheay, they come to have fun over here. But during this COVID-19, everything is squeezed and very quiet. Thanks so much. If you come to Oddar Mean Cheay, please don't forget to come here. It's just on the east of Anlong Veng, something around 20 kilometers. You can see a road to the Chinese power factory, and then on that way just continue around some kilometers, you will arrive at this dike. Okay, enjoy your time, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.